Hello everyone, in this session we are going to learn about basic editing tools in AutoCAD 3D. Okay, these are editing tools: union, subtract, intersect. We will see this tool in our software. Okay, I will change the view. Now we will see the see. These two objects are, if I select them, these are selected as individual. Now we will union them for combining them. Take a command, select first object, select second object, enter. Now see, this has become combined. Okay, next is subtract. For subtracting, we have to draw different object. Okay, I will draw circle now and okay, this has get postponed. Now we will subtract. Select first object, enter, second object, enter. See, this has get subtracted. Okay, next command is intersect. Select first object, enter, second object, enter. Next is C, interference. Delete interference object created on close. This is how we can analyze interference. Slice. It will divide an object. Select first object, enter, and okay, now this has get divided in two parts. Okay, next is thicken. For thicken command, we have to draw different object. Okay, I will revolve it. See, this is zero thickness geometry. Now I will give thickness to this object. Enter and give the thickness. Okay. I will give thickness. Select object. Enter. See, thickness is applied to this zero thickness object. Okay, this is how we can thicken the object. Now next is extract edges. Select object, enter. Now I will move the object. See, these edges are extracted from this object. Okay, next is imprint. imprint this circle. Now we will move the object. Enter. Okay. Next is color edges. Select the color, click OK. See, this edge has different color as we applied. Now copy edges. Take a command, select the edge, enter. See, edge is copied. Next, extrude faces. Click on face, enter, height of extrusion. See, faces get extruded. Next is taper face. Select a face, enter, select a base point, give the angle. Okay, see, this face has get tapered. Now next command is move faces. Enter, base point, enter. Likewise, as per name, these are the editing tools. We can use offset face. Select a face, take a command, offset face, enter. See, this face has get offset. Likewise, we can use this command. Okay, these are the solid editing commands.